I'm Perla Ariola, Vice Principal of Our Lady of Vista School for the past 8 years.
My name is Delton Marin, here at Our Lady of Vista in the Toledo District.
We first heard of RAS Plus when we went for an education forum in Punta Gorda that BNTU hosted. The teachers from down there told us about the literacy program, and I started to dig deeper into what all literacy programs are out there. That was when we got a hold of the RAS Plus. We started the workshops, and from the workshops we went into the pre-tests. So it is a new program for us, but being literacy is one of the leading cause of working with the children, we decided to embrace it and work with it.
It's somewhat new to us, but at the same time, reading and this overall literacy on a whole is part of our curriculum too as well. But this program is there as well to help the teachers to push forward with some resources.
I see a boy.
Very good. Let's read it.
I see a boy.
It has not only helped the students but the teachers themselves. There's a lot of resources on the website as well for parents and students and teachers to tap into. And it is not only just looking at the reading per se, but if you have a topic, for example, you're dealing with environment, there are books there on the website that can link with that.
The boy is big.
Let's read.
Based on what we have seen with the teachers, we have seen that the children are more into learning, especially getting engaged with the reading. And because they're able to now help themselves independently, they're more active, they're more eager to be here and eager to participate within the classroom setting.
What letter is this? E. Capital?
E.
And this is small? Very good.
On behalf of the school, I would really want to say thank you for the personnel and the team from UNICEF Belize working with us, embracing us, adopting us. We are overwhelmed with the support we're getting from them in terms of both physical, mental, and hard materials, the resources. We are pretty much grateful of it. And we would appreciate and we would want them to extend it down to our lower division, not starting only from standard 1, but our infant 1, infant 2, because that's the basis and the foundation of all reading, all literacy program for these children to read. So we're really looking forward to continue with the program next year. It is a tremendous help to the school. So we thank you, we appreciate it.